So this video is about double checking your trailer to make sure that you are ready to go. So we're going to walk around the trailer, make sure everything's closed, make sure everything's locked up, and make sure that everything is just ready to go to hit the road, so you don't end up with any, doors flying open, stinky slinkies flying out, which in our case doesn't, well, it could happen. I'll show you in a second. But so we're going to start. We start here at the storage. We always like making sure that all of our doors are locked. You kind of just help ensure that you're not going to have anything come flying open. Make sure that your jacks are up. We have manual jacks, those are up. Make sure that all of your caps are closed. We have a black tank flush cap right there. Steps are in. Handles, grab bars, whatever are in. This door is already locked. I'll make sure that the deadbolt's locked on this as well. Slides obviously in. Electrical is closed. These are for our refrigerator. I actually found this one open yesterday when we were leaving a different RV park. I have no idea how long it's been open or why it was open, but these were actually unlocked. So these are in the locked position like that. These are locked as well. That black tank flush is closed. The shower door is closed. Little door to get to the outdoor shower. This door is locked. I'll make sure that this one is locked as well. This is our back storage where we keep all of our exterior stuff.
Originally it was an outdoor kitchen.
Yes, this was an outdoor kitchen. You can see that I posted stuff on here. I'll put this rubber band around the paper towel so that doesn't go rolling everywhere. A little trash bag here, courtesy of Trash Snap, is also closed. They're one of our affiliate partners. If you did not know that, find their link in the description below and actually get 10% off your order. So obviously if this wasn't closed, these two containers right here is actually what our stinky slinkies are in. So those could come flying out. I'm gonna grab one glove just in case. That glove holder was on Amazon, obviously, because the door goes up and down. I gotta put rubber bands around it. I'm gonna grab one glove just in case the sewer caps on the other side are not closed. I'll go ahead and close this and lock this. Yeah, so as Jennifer said, this was our outdoor kitchen. Those steps are in. I didn't bring them out last night. We're only staying one night at this RV park. This jack is up. The water heater is closed. I always drain our water heater, drop some weight on the way. This jack is up. We didn't use this black tank last night, but make sure that it's closed. This is for our cable. Make sure that that is closed and locked, and it is. Our electrical is closed. Tires look good. Good thing I grabbed that glove, because this cap is not on this black tank drain. That's closed and tight on there. While you're over here, you want to make sure that you turned your electrical off, your water's off, your sewer cap is on. This sewer cap is on as well. You can see right here that our water's not closed. That's closed now. The water for our freshwater connection into our freshwater tank is closed. Our jack is closed, and this front storage is closed and locked as well. So backtracking just a little bit, we got to go ahead and pull our chocks out. Jennifer pointed that out to me when we were checking out everything else, which means that our chocks are still on the other side. Even though that you double check everything, sometimes sometimes you have to triple check everything as well. So I'll go ahead and unlock this. Open this up one more time. Put this glove in here. Close that. Now obviously you only pull your chocks if your trailer's connected to your tow vehicle. Put that chock in there. Close this up. Lock it up. Double check that. And let's continue. So one of the things you do need to do is you do need to do a light check. We actually travel with our lights on, and so I'm going to go ahead and hop in the truck, and I'm going to do the brakes. Jennifer will stand behind and where I can see her, and then we'll move off to the turn signals, and we'll turn on the daytime running lights right away as well. Running lights are on.
Running lights are on. They're good to go.
Check.
Brake check, good.
Turn signal.
You're good for left,
Turn signal.
good for right.
Check out our video on our 14-point checklist for hitching up your trailer. In that video we go over how to hitch up your trailer with the Fastway E2 weight distribution and sway arm kit, as well as that 14-point checklist. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe, smash that bell, and select all to be notified when we post videos every time. Joining you from Seven Feathers RV Resort in Canyonville, Oregon, we are the Traveling Larsons.